Hi everyone, it's Naomi, and I'm really happy to welcome you here today. This time, I bring a new combination that looks bright, elegant, and simple at the same time. The sheer tan pantyhose have a soft, natural color that gives a clean, even tone. The fabric looks thin and smooth, with a light reflection that stays gentle under the light. The finish is classic and feminine, and it keeps that calm style that I like to show in many try-ons. The color blends easily with most outfits and gives a polished look that never goes out of style. The heels are fuchsia strappy heels with a shiny touch that stands out right away. The color looks bold and full of life, and the design stays delicate with thin straps crossing over the foot. The heel is high but balanced, and the overall look feels elegant, modern, and fun. The fuchsia tone adds a bright accent that works beautifully with the neutral pantyhose and makes the whole pair look stylish and confident. It is a simple mix that I find beautiful to share in this new video. The sheer tan pantyhose looks smooth and natural, and I like how the tone keeps an even, clean finish. The color stays light and neutral, and it works with many outfits. The fabric looks thin and classic, and it keeps that elegant touch that I always enjoy showing in my videos. It has a simple look that stays beautiful under any light, and it gives a soft visual balance to the bright color of the heels. The Fuchsia strappy heels look modern, feminine, and full of energy. The thin straps cross lightly around the foot, and the heel has a nice balanced shape. The color looks strong but still elegant, and I think it matches perfectly with the tan pantyhose. The combination looks bright and stylish, but still calm and simple at the same time. I like when shoes have that clean design that stays easy to wear and still looks pretty. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comment and subscribe so we can enjoy more moments together here on Namie Haul.